Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn about four key business principles of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Razillah Ta'ala Anhu. These principles are not just business tips, they are lessons inspired by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 1. Never buy on credit. The practice of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Razillah Ta'ala Anhu. He never purchased anything on credit throughout his life. He believed in paying in full at the time of purchase, keeping his finances clean and free from debt. This was not because he feared financial hardship, but because he valued financial honesty and moral responsibility. Why credit can be risky? Debt can lead to stress and dishonesty. When people buy on credit, they might overcome it, borrowing more than they can repay. This can tempt them to cheat, delay payments, or hide financial troubles. Spiritual risk. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized that debt is a heavy burden on the soul. There are hadiths where he refused to lead the funeral prayer for someone who died in debt, highlighting the seriousness of irresponsible borrowing. Operational risk. Businesses relying on credit to buy goods might mismanage inventory or overextend themselves, which can cause financial collapse. Now, Islam encourages living within your means and avoiding unnecessary debt. The Quran warns against excessive borrowing and unjust dealings, and do not consume on one another's wealth unjustly. Credit is allowed in Islam under necessity, but habitual credit buying without the ability to pay back is discouraged. Now, practical benefits of avoiding credit. Financial freedom. You own your money and avoid paying interest or falling into debt traps. Clarity in business. Your accounts are straightforward, no outstanding obligations. Trustworthiness. People know you are reliable and honest, which builds a good reputation. Peace of mind. No stress about deadlines, late payments, or lawsuits. Number 2. Never sell on credit. Hazrat Abdul Rahman ibn Auf Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, one of the wealthiest and most successful companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, never sold goods on credit. He believed in transparency and immediate payment for every transaction. His business was based on trust, honesty, and financial integrity rather than temporary gains that could create long term problems. Why selling on credit can be risky? Selling on credit may seem like a way to attract customers, but it comes with serious ethical, financial, and social risks. Debt burden on customers. Customers may take on more than they can repay, which can lead to stress, deception, or bankruptcy. Business risk. You might not get paid on time or at all. This can disrupt your cash flow and create financial instability. Moral risk. When sellers extend credit without accountability, it may encourage irresponsible spending and dishonesty, which Islam strongly warns against. The social consequences. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized that debt could harm community relations. People who cannot repay might face shame, stress, or social tension. Islam encourages fairness and honesty in all transactions. Selling on credit is not forbidden, but it carries conditions and responsibilities. Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Razillah Ta'ala Anhu avoided it entirely to prevent disputes or delays in repayment, maintain a clear conscience and moral integrity, ensure the market remained honest, transparent, and free from exploitation. Benefits of never selling on credit. Cash flow stability. Immediate payments keep your business financially healthy. Trust and reputation. Customers and partners see you as honest, reliable, and ethical. Stress free business. No need to chase payments, deal with defaulters, or manage overdue accounts. Market integrity. Prevents inflation or artificial scarcity caused by deferred payments and speculation. Number 3. Never hoard goods. Hazrat Abdul Rahman ibn Auf Ta'ala anhu never hoarded goods in anticipation of price increases. Whenever he found a profit opportunity, he sold the goods immediately rather than keeping them to manipulate the market or increase personal gain. His focus was on fair trade, ethical business, and the welfare of the community, not maximizing profits at the expense of others. Now, understanding hoarding and its risks. Hoarding is when a seller deliberately withholds goods from the market, expecting prices to rise in the future. While it might seem profitable, it comes with serious ethical and practical consequences. It creates artificial scarcity. By withholding goods, prices rise artificially, causing hardship for buyers. It encourages greed. Hoarding is driven by selfish desire for higher profits, which Islam warns against. Market instability. Excessive hoarding can disrupt supply chains, creating economic imbalance. Spiritual consequences. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, discouraged exploitation of others' needs. Hoarding harms the community and contradicts Islamic ethics. Now, benefits of not hoarding the goods. Healthy market. Prices remain fair and accessible for everyone. Trust and reputation. Customers and traders know you act ethically, boosting your credibility. Barakah in wealth. Islam teaches that wealth earned and circulated fairly brings blessings. Sustainable business. Selling regularly and fairly ensures steady cash flow and long term success. Number 4. Never conceal defects. The practice of Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Ta'ala anhu. He never hid defects in the goods he sold. He believed that honesty in business is as important as honesty in all aspects of life. This principle extended to every transaction, full transparency about quality, flaws, and condition of goods. Understanding concealing defects. Concealing defects means hiding flaws, damage, or problems in goods or services to make a sale. While it might seem profitable in short term, it has serious consequences. It harms customers. Buyers may unknowingly pay full price for substandard products, causing financial loss and mistrust. It erodes trust. Dishonesty damages a seller's reputation and relationships with customers. Spiritual consequences. Islam considers deception in trade a serious moral failing. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever cheats us is not one of us." Benefits of never concealing defects. Trust and credibility. Customers know they can rely on your word and come back for future transactions. Sustainable business. Short term gains from cheating are outweighed by long term losses from a ruined reputation. Spiritual reward. Integrity in business is rewarded in both this life and the hereafter. Fair market prices. Transparency ensures fairness and prevents exploitation in the community. By following these principles, we not only succeed in business but also earn barakah and maintain integrity in every transaction. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more lessons from Islamic history that can transform your life and business. Jazakallah khairan.